A toothache is never an enjoyable experience for you, but it can be even worse if your dentist's schedule is full or you can't get to an appointment for several days. The dental team knows all too well what the pain of a toothache can do and how irritable it can make you feel. Your dental team tries to accommodate emergency appointments as quickly as possible, but sometimes there is a wait. To help anyone who has a toothache and faces a long wait to see a dentist, this video will give you a list of 4 homemade remedies that can help ease the pain. Please be aware that these are in no way a substitute for taking good care of your teeth and visiting a professional dentist. They are just ideas to help tide you over until you get to the dentist. The first natural home remedy is saltwater rinses. Salt is a natural antiseptic, and many patients who experience mild tooth discomfort find that swilling salt water around in their mouth can temporarily relieve the pain. Use half a teaspoon of salt to a glass of lukewarm water to reduce the swelling and pain. This natural solution is easy to do at home with items you have in your cupboards, so it should be your first step before moving on to more drastic pain reduction methods. Repeat your saltwater rinse 2 or 3 times a day, or after every meal, until your dentist appointment, when your dentist will be able to provide you with treatment that entirely relieves the pain. The second natural home remedy is to chew cloves. Cloves are a traditional way to relieve tooth pain, so give them a try if your teeth hurt and you have to wait for an appointment with your dentist. You can buy dried cloves from most natural food stores or on the internet and place them in your mouth near the pain site. Chew them gently to release their natural oils and soothe your pain. Alternatively, buy clove oil and put some on a small cotton wool bud or swab. You can then wipe the oil around the tooth that hurts. As cloves are a natural product, you shouldn't react to this method, but if you feel that it isn't working, try a different approach to see if that will be more effective. The third natural home remedy is to use a cold compress. A cold compress to the side of your face is one of the most effective ways to reduce the pain and swelling that you often feel when you get a toothache. Use a cold item, like a bag of frozen peas or an ice cubes in a Ziploc bag, and hold it to your face, wrapped in a cloth, to prevent your skin from becoming too cold. Hold the compress to your face until it warms up and is no longer cold. Then, gently remove it and wait a few minutes to see how your mouth feels. If the pain has decreased and you feel better, you can wait until it returns before replacing the cold compress. However, if your teeth still hurt, replace the compress immediately with another fresh from the freezer wrapped in a new cloth. The fourth natural home remedy is to use CBD oil. CBD oil is the hot new product on the market right now, and while rubbing it on your gums isn't a proven method for relieving toothache, many patients claim that it can help to soothe the pain. Rub a small amount of high-quality oil onto your gums near the site of the pain, and then avoid drinking or eating for a few hours to allow it to sink in and get to work. Rub a drop of CBD oil directly on your tooth if you want fast-acting relief. Choose a pure CBD oil or tincture and use the dropper provided with the package. Put a single drop of the oil on the tip of your finger and gently rub it into the gums around the tooth that hurts. You should start noticing the CBD within 30 minutes of applying the oil, and it will last about 2-3 hours. If you don't want to use your finger, put the drop of oil on a cotton swab instead. Make sure you wash your hands before applying the oil so you don't transfer any bacteria in your mouth. You might notice that the oil helps to reduce the pain or that it does nothing at all. If you feel irritated after applying the oil, then rinse your mouth out immediately and stop using the product. Your dental team understand how horrible a toothache can be, which is why we recommend regular checkups with a professional dentist. A dentist can spot issues early, treat them, and advise you on keeping your mouth clean and reducing your chances of tooth decay and infection. If you're afraid of the dentist and don't feel comfortable getting regular checkups, then there are ways the dentist can help. The office can offer dermal fillers treatment sedation dentistry, and dedicated support for nervous patients so that you feel at ease and keep your teeth clean and healthy. Contact your dental team and they will be more than happy to help. Thank you for supporting the Toothache channel. Please subscribe and like for more helpful dental videos.